Are we getting closer to the return of the NBA? Starting next week, the Toronto Raptors will be able to host individual workouts here at their training facility. The club putting out a release today is saying that they are working closely with the government and public health authorities to allow limited access to the practice facility for player workouts. This came just moments after the Ontario government eased restrictions around professional sports training facilities. Raptors GM Bobby Webster today on a media call said that around half of the players were in Toronto and are eager to get back on the court. He also said it would help players start to move around outside of their apartments for a bit, and that it would not only be good for them physically, but for their mental health as well.
As it stands now, it's really just the court. And so players come on to the court. There is one coach that's allowed on the court, but they'll practice physical distancing.
For the Raptors that are not in Canada and can eventually return, they will have to follow the 2-week self-quarantine rules.
If they do come back, they're going to have to be quarantined like everyone else for 2 weeks. I understand with the Raptors, the NBA and the NHL have super stringent restrictions and protocols in place. I'll give you an example. The NBA is saying only 4 people can be on the practice court at a time. I understand the Raptors are going to let 1 person on the court at a time.
Lindsay Dunn, City News, Toronto.